Hey everyone, welcome back to another Bev and Ryan travel video. Today, we're staying right in the middle of the action at the newly refreshed Hyatt Regency Times Square, New York. If you're planning a trip to Manhattan and want a modern, comfortable hotel just steps from Broadway and all the energy of Times Square, this one might be perfect for you. We took an Uber from JFK to get here, which dropped us off right at the entrance on Times Square. But if you're driving, there's a very nice valet drop-off area, which costs a pricey $94 per night. Upon entry, we had to walk through a hallway to get to the escalator to reach the main lobby. Once you step inside, the chaos of Times Square fades instantly. The redesigned lobby feels stylish and calming, with warm lighting, polished stone, and plenty of comfortable seating areas where you can relax or get some work done. You also get exciting views of Times Square just stepped outside the hotel, so you still feel connected to the energy of the city. It wasn't too busy when we arrived, which made check-in quick and easy. The staff was friendly and welcoming, exactly what you need after a long travel day. One nice touch is the complimentary morning coffee and tea, conveniently served right in the lobby. It's a great way to warm up before heading out to explore the city. Now let's check out our room on the 46th floor. Let's check out room 4615. This is a king corner room, and it's actually really nice, so let me show you around. So as soon as you walk in, here's the small bathroom. You have a single sink with this lighted mirror and your usual pharmacopoeia products at all the Hyatt Regencies we've been to. And they have a vanity kit in here, if I can open this up. Yep, it's like your Q-tips and shower cap. And below, there's a hairdryer right here. Wait, what is this one? Oh, it's a steamer and a hairdryer. And right behind us, we have this small open closet. It's very tiny, so there's an extra blanket up there, some hangers, a single bathrobe. I'm not sure why there's not two of them. And there's a single slipper down there below. Now let's check out the shower and toilet. Here's your normal toilet and a walk-in shower. It's a rainfall shower with a handheld shower as well. And the pharmacopoeia products here, the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Now let's check out the rest of the room. Here it is. So we have the king-size bed over here. Let's see how it feels. It's very plush, so that should be very comfy to sleep in. And we have a bunch of charging ports here. So we have USB-C, USB-A, and your standard outlets. Some storage drawers down there below. And we have a big screen TV. This looks like about a 60-inch screen. And a bunch of storage drawers here. So this one has the safe, I believe. Yep, safe is down there. And these are all empty. So there's no office desk here really, so I guess you can use this table to work on your computer if you need to. And this couch, there's no, it doesn't have a pull-out bed, so you can't sleep on any other people there, but there's really no room to pull out a sofa bed here. So over here we have some more plugs for your devices. And check out the view we have here. So on this side, you can see some of the buildings down there on 5th Avenue. And over here, some of the buildings in Times Square. It's kind of bright right now, so the reflection is kind of bad. So there's a couple of complimentary water bottles right there. And a small fridge, which they don't put any overpriced stuff in, so that's nice. So what do you guys think of this room at the Hyatt Regency Times Square? Let me know in the comment section.
Q48 is the hotel's stylish all-day restaurant, serving elevated American cuisine, craft cocktails, and locally inspired dishes in a warm, theater-style setting. Here's a quick look at their menu. Feel free to pause the video if you'd like to take a closer look. Q48 Marketplace offers convenient grab-and-go options, making both perfect for pre-show dining or relaxing after exploring New York City.
We're on the 15th floor and we're checking out the fitness center here. So by the entrance, they have a bunch of water bottles in this fridge. And over here, they have their fitness schedule. Let's check out the rest of the gym. And near the entrance, they have this very nice yoga room. So if you need to stretch out, you can use this area. And let's check out the main space here and see what we have. So we have some kettlebells over here and some TRX cables. Here's the Smith machine with some dumbbells and a couple of benches. We have a row machine over here, stationary bike, a couple of ellipticals, several treadmills, and there's a couple Peloton bikes at the end. And now we have a bunch of exercise machines on this side. Let's see if we can see the views from here because the light is too bright inside, so the reflection might be too strong. But I mean, you have views of some of the buildings here, but it's hard to see it because it's too bright in here. But overall, it's a very nice gym here at the Hyatt Centric Times Square.
Overall, the Hyatt Regency Times Square is a great choice if you're looking for a modern, comfortable hotel in one of the most iconic locations in New York City. With its unbeatable spot right in the heart of Times Square, easy access to Broadway, major attractions, and public transportation, it makes exploring Manhattan simple and stress-free. Add in the updated rooms, friendly service, convenient on-site dining, and skyline views, and you've got a hotel that delivers both comfort and convenience. Weekend rates go for around $450 per night, which reflects the prime location, amenities, and level of comfort you're getting. We've already stayed here twice and highly recommend it because it puts you right in the center of the action while still giving guests a quiet, relaxing place to recharge at the end of the day. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which hotel you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.